So in this video I'm going to show you how you can print a copy of your tax bill or make a payment to the city tax office on the City of El Paso's website. First thing that you're going to want to do is to put your property's PID into the search bar, which is here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste one in there. And then on this we're going to need to drop down to the prop ID number search. After you've done that, you can go ahead and click the search button, and that will bring up this page. Verifying that the information under the owner's name and legal description is correct and the PID. Go ahead and click on the account number. That's going to bring you to the main screen. Here you can print your current tax statement, and I'm just going to walk through that real quick. After you've clicked it, it'll take a second and it'll bring up this link here. Once you click on that, there's a copy of your tax bill and you can print it from there. Going back to pay your tax bill, you can click on Pay Now. You can either pay through a credit card or you can pay on an e-check. The credit card includes a convenience fee. The e-check, there's no additional fee. So if I'm going to choose e-check, I'm going to choose the account that's here, and I'm going to pay the full amount. Click Next. I'm going to enter my information here, and I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and click Next. It puts my contact information, everything about me here, and then I can either edit that or enter my banking information. Once I click on this, I enter my routing number and my account number, and once I click that pay, it pays the property tax bill. You'll get verification on screen, and I believe you get an email as well. But that is how you can pay your tax online with the City of El Paso tax office. I hope this helps.